Have you ever lost a beat? Well, with Project Preview, you'll never lose a beat again. Let me show you. I have this beat here, right? I'm going to want to save that. Go into your menu. You're going to press save. And then you go to audio mixdown. You want to save it with save as Project Preview. You click this here. MP3 is going to help you save space on your hard drive. So it's up to you. You can pick whatever you want. And you press export. Now, go into your browser where your beats are. I'll name that beat Bop. Watch what happens. So what happened there is giving you a preview of the beat. As you scroll through, it'll play the beat for each one of your projects. So you'll never have to worry about losing a project ever again. All right, guys, go to thecyclekid.com. Support your boy. I got kits in all price ranges. I appreciate the support. Love and respect. Peace.